We'll step off like now. So brake, 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 brake. Why do you think I put the brake on?
Because I didn't put it on.
Pop it into first gear.
Gosh.
Hold the brake for now so we don't roll back. You see up here in front of you?
Yeah.
It's a cycle box, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we have what's called advanced stop lines. We're not supposed to go into that bit.
Oh, we're supposed to stay out of it.
We're supposed to stop in the first line. Yeah, that's where I've braked. And with your feet, start with the brake, get the clutch in and keep braking.
Can I put my foot on the brake without the clutch being down?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, my bad. I have this belief that I have to have my foot down on the clutch.
The clutch, remember we said, is just for changing gears. So we weren't changing gears first, well, we were trying to slow down. And when you use the brake by itself, you're also using engine brake. Now press the accelerator, alright? And gently clutch up. Don't worry about that hoop, they're a bit
I was
silly.
thinking I'm a learner, mate.
Just keep your wheel straight, your back tyre.
Oh!
Did you feel it?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, change gears.
Sorry, I'm
Clutch
so
up
terrible
slowly,
right
you
now.
are okay. Now, just stay on the left-hand side. At the second traffic lights, we're going to turn left, okay? So just keep this position. Check what's behind, top and left. Signal left.